Welcome to ColdCofe, a global tech community and vibrant, inclusive space where students, professionals, researchers, and tech enthusiasts come together to share knowledge through online webinars. To get started with ColdCofe, simply sign up and become part of our growing global tech community. Let's get you started by creating your account in just a few simple steps. Click the Sign Up button to access the registration page, where you'll need to provide the required information to complete the process. Start by entering your full name. This will be your identity within the ColdCofe community. Next, enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email as it will be used for communication and account access. Now, create a strong password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, including at least one letter and one number. You can also include special characters for extra security. Re-enter your password in the Confirm Password field to ensure accuracy. Before continuing, check the box to agree to the terms of use. This step is required to proceed. Once everything is filled in, click on Get Started. And just like that, your ColdCofe journey begins. If you already have an account, you can click on Login here to sign in. Once you've successfully completed the registration process, the next step is to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox. You will receive a verification email from ColdCofe with the subject Verify Your Email Address. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email, and you'll see a message welcoming you to ColdCofe along with instructions to verify your account. Click on the Complete Your Account Setup button inside the email. This will confirm your email address and activate your account. And that's it! Your account is now fully verified and ready to use. Now you can log in to your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. We've made it quick and easy to recover your account. On the login page, just below the password field, you'll see the Forgot Password option. Click on it to begin the recovery process. You'll be asked to enter your registered email address. Make sure it's the same email you used when creating your account. After submitting your email, check your inbox. You'll receive a password reset email from ColdCofe with instructions to continue. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. You'll be redirected to a secure page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and meets the required criteria. Re-enter your new password to confirm, then submit. Your password will be updated instantly. Now return to the login page, enter your email and new password, and sign in to your account. On the login page, you'll see a simple and clean interface designed for easy access. Start by entering your registered email address in the email field. Next, type your password in the password field. You can click the eye icon to show or hide your password for convenience. If you're using a personal device, you can check the Remember Me option to stay logged in for future visits. Once everything is filled in, click the Sign In button to access your account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard where you can explore, connect, and engage with the community. You're now ready to grow with the ColdCofe Global Tech Community.